Hi, my name is Shannon Jian Patricia Batusan, and today's date is October 11, 2025, and I am presenting for Communication 174501 on how Johari Window helps explain self-awareness and self-disclosures in relationships. But first, can you guys please introduce yourselves?
Hi, my name is Ban.
My name is Flory.
My name is Rodell.
My name is Ray.
Hello, my name is Pipito.
Hi, my name is Jessie.
Before I start, I want to explain first on what Johari Window is. So according to the book of Interplay 14th edition, Johari model was developed by Joseph Lust and Harry Ingham. It is divided into 4 quadrants, which is open, blind, hidden, and unknown. This is an example of Johari window model. As you can see, there is an open area, which means parts of ourselves we openly share. There is also a blind spot, and these are things that others see that we may not see to ourselves. There is also a hidden area, which are things that we keep in private. And the last one is the unknown, which is things that are still unknown to everyone and even to ourselves. For this presentation, I would like to share an example of my own Johari window. The first one is open quadrant. In my open quadrant, I included things people already know about me. I am a mom of 2 and I have a stepdaughter who is now 13 years old. I also love to cook. These are examples of myself that I'm comfortable sharing and expressing openly. The second one is blind quadrant. I included things that others notice about me, but I don't always realize. People tell me that I'm very attentive to details, which is very surprising because I thought I was just being aware. People also tell me that I don't notice how expressive my face is. To be honest, this quadrant made me realize on how important self-awareness and feedback is. And for the third quadrant is hidden quadrant. These are parts of myself that I kept more private. For this one, I want to start my own business. This is a dream that I would like to slowly work on. I'm also I also love giving gifts. This is my quiet way of showing my appreciation, whether big or small. This part also represents my identity that I chose whether when or how to share. For the last quadrant, unknown quadrant, these are future opportunities and challenges, or maybe a hidden talent that I haven't found yet. This made me realize that self-discovery is a lifelong process and I'm still growing and learning of who I am. For my conclusion, the Johari windows shows different levels of self-awareness. Open area shows connection, blind area shows room for growth, while hidden area shows privacy, and the unknown reminds us that we are all still evolving. Each quadrant represents how we see ourselves and how we see us. I hope you guys were able to reflect on yourselves as well as I explained Johari window. Thank you for listening to me.
You're welcome.